the sultry summer, we are off to Sakleshpur. Driving past the Hassan Highway and the coffee estates, we are heading to Mugilu Homestay. The roads turned into mud paths and unpaved paths. But does it matter if you want to be cut off from the city? Taking you to Mugilu. Tucked away in a quiet corner of Sakleshpur, Mugilu comes with independent cottages, all of which have excellent views from their balconies. These are ideal for family, couples, and even for your pets. Mugilu also comes with their own dogs, Gundu, which kept me company throughout the trip. This is an ideal place if you're looking for some quiet time to just relax, unwind, and explore. Also, look out for plenty of birds around. Come, let's explore the room. Are to die for, and this kept the room so cool. We didn't even need any fan or AC in spite of it being a peak summer. Let me show you my favorite spot. This view was to die for. I spent the morning listening to the cacophony of the birds, watching the mist settle in, a midday siesta on these chairs with a book to read, and spent the nights sipping on to the homemade fruit wine that they had. Inside their property is this mini forest trail. You can walk around here trying to identify the trees or looking out for birds, or they have set up a cozy corner for you to sit with your books or just laze around. Talking of birds, do you know what I got to see? The endangered Malabar Trogan. I was lucky for it flew right into the property, and I'm told it has its home here. Another favorite place was this grassland next to the homestay. Just look at the vastness of this area. You feel like a speck of dust in the mighty universe. I'm sure this would be a much greener, beautiful place post-monsoon. Nevertheless, I enjoyed walking in through these grasslands and let the mist set on my face. Post my walk on the grasslands, I would come back for a scrumptious breakfast. That included quite a few Karnataka dishes like kadubu, akki roti, rava idli and more. I enjoyed all my 3 meals and nice filtered coffee from the Western Ghats. Hope you enjoyed this property tour of Mugilu. Don't forget to subscribe to Masala Box Travel.